In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check pending payments in Hostinger. If you want to quickly see whether there are any unpaid charges or upcoming items that still need your attention, Hostinger makes that pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what you should expect to see on the screen so you can check your billing status with confidence. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Hostinger account dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the page. That's where you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to several account-related settings and tools, and the one we need here is the Billing section. After the menu opens, click on Billing. This will take you to the area where Hostinger organizes payment details, invoices, and subscription-related information. Depending on your account and what services you have active, you may see multiple billing categories, but the main place you want to focus on is the Subscriptions section. Under Subscriptions, you'll be able to see a list of your pending payments. This is the section that shows charges that have not yet been completed or still require action. If there are any unpaid items connected to your hosting plan or other services, they should appear there. This can be especially helpful if you're trying to avoid service interruptions, keep track of renewals, or simply confirm whether a payment has already gone through. Take a moment to review the entries listed in that section. In many cases, pending payments will be tied to a specific subscription or service, which makes it easier to identify what the charge is for. If you don't see anything listed there, that usually means there are no pending payments showing on your account at that time. A good tip is to check this section regularly, especially if you manage more than one hosting product or if you recently attempted a payment and want to verify its status. It's a quick way to stay on top of your account and avoid confusion later. So again, the path is simple. Go to the top right corner, click your profile icon, select Billing, and then look under Subscriptions to find your pending payments. And that's it. That's how to check pending payments in Hostinger.